Alright, so hello everyone. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can change the IP address of your Wi-Fi network. So with that said, let's begin. The first thing I'm going to do is connect to a Wi-Fi network. I'll tap this icon right here after swiping down to see the notification bar. So it is now connected to a network, and now I'm going to show you guys how you can change the IP address of this Wi-Fi network I'm connected to. So you can do things like use every proxy or whatever application you want to use. So now I'm over at my apps, and I'm going to look for settings. This is my settings icon. I'm going to tap it and then tap network and internet. For you it may be different, but they're usually the same titles. This is the Wi-Fi option. Don't tap this, just tap the label itself. And then this is the Wi-Fi network I'm connected to. For you it may be something else, so tap this gear icon. Now this is how mine looks. I'm going to tap this pencil icon at the top. For you, you may have to find an edit option, so just look out for that. So for now I'm going to tap this one, and then I'm going to tap advanced options. This is where everything happens. For proxy, I'm going to select manual, and then I'll swipe down a bit. So this is where you're going to input your IP address, and when you're done doing that, input the port number. And you can leave this, you don't need to change this. And once you're done, tap the save button. I can't save right now because I didn't input anything here, but when you do that, you're going to have a save option here. So when you tap it, it's going to ask you if you're sure you want to save, and then tap OK. And that's all. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments, and I'll respond as fast as I can. Alright, if you haven't subscribed already, please do, and until next time, stay safe and stay awesome. Alright, bye bye.